Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2025 Jeep Compass Sport that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Jeep today, just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. As we come around towards the back of the Jeep here, you can see you do obviously have your backup camera equipped back there. Checking out some of the cargo space in the back, you can see a decent amount of room back there to store your gear and bags out of the way while on the go. Your full-size spare tire equipped back there as well. You do get 4x4 capabilities with this Jeep, so it gives you great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Checking out some of the features inside here, so the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers, so you can see the seats themselves are a cloth seat, so are fairly comfortable for you and your passengers. You do also have your floor mats included, both front and back, so a great little accessory there that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. So just checking out your features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display area, as you can see there. So with the Uconnect system, very user-friendly interface. You do have access to, of course, all of your audio, media controls built in there. Climate control options also accessible in through here as well. Again, your Bluetooth capabilities and access to some of the apps and settings. Just below that, again, access to totally basic audio, media controls, climate control options down in through there. USB port hookups there as well. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob for the Jeep right here, so you can see your push button start just in behind. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have your audio media controls built in behind the steering wheel, as well as your cruise control options in on the right hand side, left hand side. You do have access to your Bluetooth capabilities. Of course, all of your power windows, locks, side mirrors. So that's just a quick look at this 2025 Jeep Compass. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.